We get now to the Reggae Boys 1-1 draw with world number 25 ranked team Serbia. We look beyond the result and delve into the rapidly changing face of the Reggae Boys team and the challenge facing coach Tapper Whitmore in getting the right balance for the team going forward. Looking at the start list for the Serbia game, there were 6 England-born players in the starting 11. Another 3 were on the bench, and another 6 or 7 did not make the trip to Japan. So between old and new, we're looking at between 15 and 20 England-born players and counting in the mix for selection to the Jamaica national team, easily. The highest number of foreign-born players to be involved in the Jamaica national team at the same time. And we're not saying it's right or wrong, or if it's a bad thing or a good thing. We don't know that yet. But with this changing balance to the national senior team, a few months before the qualifiers start, spare a thought for the Jamaican-born players who are now steadily being replaced. The Jamaican fans who are now scrambling to get to know their team. But especially for head coach Theodore Tapper Whitmore, who will have his hands full in deciding our most balanced unit, our most committed players, and ultimately, our best team. Prayers up, Tapper, prayers up, blessing Tapper, prayers up, the boss, prayers up.